Sebaceous filaments, you may have noticed those tiny dark dots on your face that don't exactly look like or act like blackheads, since they aren't blackheads. They're actually hair-like structures that line the inside of the pores and help sebum travel to the skin's surface. We're going to be looking at how to get rid of them in this video, even though technically we need them to some extent. I know a lot of you don't like them at all and would be happier without them. So this video will be looking at 3 of the best products you can use to, if not fully get rid of them, then at least, at the very least, minimize them to an extent where they can be hardly visible. So make sure to stick all the way to the end to get the full rundown on how to get rid of sebaceous filaments. Hi guys, it's Skin Media Pharmacist here on YouTube. If you guys want to learn more about making informed decisions about your health and wellness in an easy to understand way, then I'd love for you all to click that red subscribe button down below. Also, give this video a like if you enjoy learning about topics like these, and since you did like the video, I thought I'd show you a picture of a cute Cheeto. Aww. Now without further ado, let's get straight into it. You see, controlling the amount of oil on the skin and using exfoliating skincare products can help keep the pores clear, which is what the aim is when it comes to treating sebaceous filaments. Doing so can help minimize the appearance of sebaceous filaments. And the reason why I say minimize is because you don't want to permanently get rid of them. They help channel the flow of sebum. And why is that important? Well, as you know, sebum has an innate antibacterial activity as well as an anti-inflammatory function for the face that you actually need. In other words, natural face oil isn't the problem. And a big mistake when it comes to sebaceous filaments is mistaking them for blackheads and squeezing them. Do not squeeze them, please, I beg you. This will lead to unnecessary and unintentional harm to your face as well as cause scarring. And this is because the structure and the architecture of sebaceous filaments are much different than that of a blackhead, so you want to be careful in picking them. In fact, let me just pull up a picture that looks at them side by side for better viewing's sake. So if you want to minimize them and make them less noticeable, these 3 products will do the job, starting with the first one, after you've cleansed, of course, to the area you want to treat. I'm assuming it will be your nose, which is where the most problems are for sebaceous filaments. Apply the Paula's Choice Pore Reducing Toner with niacinamide. After cleansing, apply the toner to a cotton pad and gently apply it over the filaments and don't rinse it off. The niacinamide is going to start doing the lifting because remember, niacinamide helps control sebum production, making pores less noticeable. In fact, you should get a natural reduction in pore size over time, and some see the results in 2 weeks, but don't be surprised if it does take up to 12 weeks, so you do want to stay consistent when using it. After you cleanse your face, use the niacinamide, move on over to the second ingredient, which is the Paula's Choice 2% Salicylic Acid Liquid Exfoliant. And for this, you want to start slowly. So use this every other day with the same technique. So soak it on a cotton pad and apply it on and don't rinse it off. Wait at least 1 minute after the toner to use it. After about a week, see how your skin reacts to it. Then start incorporating it once a day. Once you're at once a day, the salicylic acid decreases the skin's sebum production, leading to smaller filament presentation, which is going to work by loosening and breaking apart those desmosomes, ultimately unclogging the pore. So the Paula's Choice toner will help control sebum production, and the Paula's Choice salicylic acid will unclog what's left from the sebum's byproducts, so you're coming in at it from 2 angles so far. And as far as how long it'll take to work, 6 to 8 weeks seems to be that sweet spot. But remember, don't give up just yet, since niacinamide can take up to 12. The third is the Paula's Choice 1% Retinol treatment, and the final product to come at it from the third angle to get rid of those sebaceous filaments. And for this, you want to start with using it 3 times a week if you're new to the world of retinols. The retinol will increase the skin cell turnover, resulting in resurfacing and an unclogging of the pores even further. And to do this, apply a pea-sized amount after cleansing and toning. And to minimize the irritation, I would reserve it just for the nighttime use, just to not overwhelm the face with too much going on at once. Work your way to every other night to allow your skin to adjust to it. And every other night does seem to be a sweet spot. But if you use it as step 3 after the toner and the salicylic acid, in the morning, please make sure to follow it up with an SPF. I trust the EltaMD line as I know it's non-comedogenic and won't impact my pores. So if you're in the market for a good quality sunscreen, EltaMD sunscreens do an amazing job at reducing the signs of aging, preventing sunspots, and all the things you expect from a sunscreen. With these 3 products, including a cleanser in the beginning and a sunscreen right after for the morning use, you should start to see a dramatic change in the size of your pores. It will take some time, so patience is a must, but this does seem to be some of the best ways out there to tackle on sebaceous filaments over the counter. Click the red subscribe button and let me know what your thoughts are down below. Also, give the video a like so I know that you did enjoy it, and if you want me to go over any other condition, just let me know as I'd be happy to take suggestions. And until then guys, I'll see you on the next one.